Welcome to Our World Outdoors. I'm Tony.
I'm Missy.
And today we're at Rockbridge State Nature Preserve. We're going to run a out and back trail, which is 3.1 miles. I guess it's got a lot of overlooks. I suppose there's a waterfall. We've been here before and I've never seen a waterfall, so we'll be looking for that today. But come along with you as we take you down this little journey, down this nice little place that's been hidden away for a long time. Okay, so behind us is the waterfall.
We found it.
Yeah, but I just want to take a moment here and put a big exclamation point on I'm stupid, and that's why I haven't been doing any of the trail hike videos lately. A couple weeks ago I was out filling our outdoor wood burner, and I hadn't picked up some logs that were underfoot, and I ended up kicking one and broke my pinky toe.
But that's not all.
And I broke it on an angle, so it was like a bad break, but we didn't know that yet. We just thought it was broken. Now, when I break a finger or break a toe, I don't go to the doctors. There's really nothing they can do, so whatever. So about a week later, I kicked the exact same log doing the exact same thing.
And re-broke it.
And re-broke it. And broke it bad this time.
So 3 weeks later,
I go to the hospital, and the doctor tells me it's broke really bad. And instead of being down for 6 weeks like normal, you're going to be down 9 weeks, which I'm not staying down 9 weeks because obviously you can see I'm out on the trail.
It's only been like 5 weeks.
So this is a perfect moment to allow my wife to be right and tell everyone that yes, I'm stupid, and I admit it
That
on
might not
camera.
be the word that I have for it.
Yeah, she probably has some more colorful words for it, but we'll just use the word stupid. Because we're in a pretty place. I'm getting a little bit of trail therapy, which I've needed because I've been stuck in the house.
Yeah.
And we're getting outdoors, and that's all that matters. But I love my wife, and yes, I'll admit it on camera, I should listen to my wife more often, especially when I get hurt.
Mark that one down.
Alright, back to it. Alright, so we are now underneath the rock bridge here. I know the audio is probably not very good, but we're going to do the best we can here. Everything on the way back will be backtracked, so we're not going to bother to film all that. But we wanted to bring you down here. The one thing I do want to say is when you get down here, you'll see signs posted everywhere about all the wildflowers and stuff, and all the plant life has been killed back from people walking, so now they have ropes up, wire ropes to keep you from going into the actual creek here and into the fall area. They're trying to regrow the land out here, so they just ask that you don't actually go past this wire boundary to let the ecosystem build back up in there.
And there's no reason to pass that wire boundary. I mean, they get you very up close. You can walk under the natural bridge, close to the waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know why anyone would ever need to cross them.
And it's one of those things where this is different from a normal trail. This is a state nature preserve. You're here to enjoy and have little impact on the area. And these places don't have the budgets like the big places do to repair the damage that's done. You'll notice that this place here spends a lot of money on keeping you out of the mud. So the least we can do is, respect them by staying off of the parts they ask us not to.
But they have some very nice trails for a nature preserve.
Yeah, I mean,
their trails are nice. They're a little bit rooty.
They are rooty, and but that make up with that with all the bridges and the catwalks. I mean,
and with most nature preserves, I mean, they have a limited amount of land, so there's not a lot of switchbacks. I would say it's moderate to hard.
I'd say moderate. I wouldn't call it hard. I think it's just because we're out of shape.
Probably.
But all in all, it's a great time. We suggest that anybody that's in this area should come to it. It's actually not as known as a lot of the other features around here. I've lived here pretty much most of my life, and my wife's lived here for years and years and years, and we didn't even know about it. So
until last year, I think last year was when we found it for the first time.
Yeah, so if you get a chance, all you do is shoot up 33. It's literally right off 33, just north of Logan. Rockbridge State Nature Preserve is a beautiful place. It's definitely on our close to home radar where we come here as much as possible now. We found the falls today, so every time you come here there's something new.
Actually, we found multiple falls because these didn't have falls last time we came.
Yeah, these weren't running last time we came.
Running.
That'd probably give you a reason to come either in the spring or in the winter is to watch these falls run, because normally they don't. So, I'm Tony.
I'm Missy.
And we're Our World Outdoors, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Thank you.